Everyone, welcome to my presentation on the 2-input multiplexer, also known as 2-to-1 multiplexer. First, we will know what a multiplexer is. A multiplexer is a type of digital switch that selects one input from many inputs and sends it to the output. The select input or select line is the control part of the multiplexer, which determines which input will go to the output. Without this, the multiplexer will not be able to understand which input to send to the output. Now, we will talk about the functional diagram of the multiplexer. There is the basic structure of a 2-to-1 multiplexer. This is a 2-input multiplexer, so there are 2 inputs and 1 output. It has 2 inputs I0, I1 and 1 output called Z. One select line called S. Now we will learn about truth tables. This is the truth table of the 2-to-1 multiplexer. If the select line S is 0, the output Z will be equal to input I0. If S is 1, then Z will be equal to input I1. Now, let's learn about logic expression. The output can also be written in a Boolean expression. Here the Boolean expression is Z equals I0 and operation not S. Then OR operation I1 and operation S. Let's take an example. If I0 is 1, I1 is 0 and the select line S is 0, then output Z will be I0, which is 1. In conclusion, multiplexers are used in many fields like data routing, selecting memory addresses, and in communication systems to choose between multiple Data sources. The 2-to-1 multiplexer is a simple but very useful circuit that helps choose between two data inputs using a select line. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.